Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change a background in Zoom app. So if you guys know, now the Zoom app has changed its name from Zoom Meetings or Zoom into Zoom Workspace. So in the newest Zoom apps, there's also some new changes that you are facing, like you cannot directly change backgrounds in a meeting settings. So here through this video I'm going to show you the new method to change background in Zoom. So first let's just open the Zoom apps. Okay, you can see now the name has changed into Zoom Workplace. Okay, so in here, since I don't have a scheduled meeting, I'm going to just start a new meeting. As an example, in here I'm going to just tap on start meeting.